Hello everyone, we are here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. Now we're excited to take you on a tour of this gorgeous 2017 Nissan Frontier 4x4. This happens to be the Shaker Edition. Under the hood, you're going to find a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. It's shown in a gorgeous gunmetal paint color, which pairs beautifully with those brand new 18-inch blackout rims. Those are housing a great set of Goodyear DuraTrac tires that have a mountain and snow rating, and this just had a 2.5-inch lift installed on it. It's been fully safetied and inspected. It's only had one previous owner. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. You do get this remote from the factory with your unlock lock panic button. I'll give you a quick shot of these gorgeous wheels and tires, and we'll take you inside quickly. So you have a beautiful gray interior. You have power locks and windows on the door there. Storage along the bottom. The mats and carpets are in great condition, and you have these beautiful graphite colored seats, premium cloth throughout. This truck does hold 4 passengers. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, you do have cruise control, and on the left, Bluetooth and hands-free, as well as audio mounted controls. And then you have your power mirrors, your hill descent control, and your cargo lamp. 101,719 kilometers on this currently, and then you do have a trip selection just on the right there. To the right of that, of course, you have your ignition area. So nice, clean dash space along here. Storage up top. Into your media center, so you do have AM, FM, and satellite capability. For your media, you have Bluetooth, auxiliary, CD player, and USB. I think that's all of them. You can turn the display off if you want. Just want to make sure I got them all. And then down below, of course, your climate control with air conditioning. Down below that, you have your 4x4 options, traction control, nice clean shifting area, 2 cup holders, and in your center console, you have a 12-volt port and lots of extra space. We'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. So lock and glove compartment down below. Up above that, you have some additional space as well. And then you do have vanity mirror in your passenger sun visor, as well as interior cabin lighting and sunglass storage. So the doors do open opposite of each other, and in the back you have 2 additional seats. And the back bed has a brand new bed liner for added durability. You have tie-down hooks along the sides. You also have a rear sliding window in this Nissan Frontier. And I just want to point out as well the trailer hitch receiver. So overall, that was just a very quick tour. Again, if you have any questions or want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.